I was a little surprised to see this because I just put my summer tires on in May and the brakes looked good then. But let's take a look. So I'm going to pull the wheels off and take a look myself. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull on the hood latch twice in order to release it. Then I can go around to the front of the car and lift it up. Now, I was always told to open the hood before lifting it, but if this is an old wives' tale, please let me know in the comments. Although I have the handbrake on, I am going to chock the back tire before I lift the car up in the front by the subframe. I'll put a link in the upper corner if you want to see where jack placement is. And I'm using my impact gun with a 17 millimeter to remove all the lug nuts. Once I get that wheel out of the way, first let's talk about the good news. If I zoom in on this front brake pad, I must have at least 75% of the original pad there. This brake in particular looks good. So let's check the other side. All right, so on the right-hand side of the car, I'm zooming in on the brake over here. This also looks to be at about 75%. So these brakes look pretty good, but just for comparison, I did actually buy front brakes for this project, and this is what a new brake pad thickness looks like. I'll put links to all these parts in the description, but I'm going to store these brake pads in a Ziploc bag to protect them from moisture, and I'm going to hold off on this brake job until another day. So this is where things got a little bit frustrating. Without having to do a brake job today, I decided I was going to remount my wheels, lower the car back to the ground, and then set the torque between 80 and 90 foot-pounds. I typically set my torque at 80 foot-pounds because I'm removing my wheels twice a year. I have summer tires as well as winter tires. Now, in order to reset your brake system on the diagnostic computer, you're going to go into your car, press the start button, but without starting the actual engine. Now you're going to wait until your brake system warning disappears. Now you can press on that odometer button and hold it until a message pops up asking you about a reset. Once it says reset possible, press and hold again. Reset, now release it, and press and hold again. Now what should happen is the system will now reset in progress. However, the problem I'm having is that the reset was not successful. I tried this a number of times with and without the parking brake on, and I cannot reset my diagnostic brake system. The reason why I cannot reset the brake system is because the front left brake sensor has been triggered. In other words, it's gone bad early. I get the feeling a lot of Mini Cooper owners are taking their cars in to get new brakes when they really don't need new brakes because these wear indicators are going bad too soon. This is exactly what happened to me last year when my rear right brake sensor went bad, and when I pulled the wheels off, the brakes looked brand new. Now I'll add a link in the upper corner of how to replace a brake wear indicator, and I'll also put these parts in the description in case this is what you need. So for now, I'll have to keep driving around with the brake system warning going off even though I don't need new brakes until I get around to putting in that new brake sensor. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.